Create a tempered glass top with a shallow undersurface display cavity so you can showcase kids' artwork while keeping the table fully usable. Design the cavity to be low profile, about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch deep, so papers and thin crafts lie flat without raising the table height. Use tempered glass at least 1/2 inch thick for safety and stiffness, and have edges polished to prevent snags when swapping pieces. Plan an easy access slot on one long side that is large enough for a single sheet and lined with a soft gasket to keep dust out while still allowing rapid rotation of artwork. Make the interior surfaces smooth and wipeable. Use a matte white or soft neutral liner to reduce glare and keep attention on the art. Add adjustable LED strip lighting inside the cavity with a dimmer so you can control color temperature and brightness to flatter different media without heating the cavity. Seal the cavity perimeter with a removable but tight-fitting trim so parents can clean inside and replace liners without tools. Common mistakes start with using non-tempered or too thin glass, which risks breakage or excessive flex. Always specify the proper thickness and tempering rating from a glass fabricator and have them calculate span and support points. Another issue is poor access design that makes swapping art cumbersome. Test a full sheet through your slot and add a guide rail or friction strip so papers slide in straight and do not crease. A third frequent problem is trapped moisture or dust inside the cavity that degrades paper and adhesives. Solve this by using a gasketed access slot, breathable but dust-resisting liners, and including a discreet silica gel pocket or removable vent for humidity control. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and compare project ideas for household upgrades like display tables for kids' artwork. We also support contractors looking for work and run a discussion community where we share build tips, vendor contacts, and real project photos.